Let's talk about installing IKO Royal Estate designer shingles. While all types, styles, and sizes of shingle are installed in roughly the same way, there's enough variation that you must follow the application instructions specific to the shingle you're using. A new roof of IKO Royal Estate shingles will give your customer's home an elegant, sophisticated appearance thanks to their look of square-cut natural slate tiles. Here's how to install them once you've applied an IKO roof starter as shown in a previous episode of Blueprint for Roofing. Start the first course at the left side of the roof deck, with the complete shingle applied flush with the roof starter course at rake and eave. Use 4 nails per shingle placed in the nail line 7 1/8 inch below the top edge of the shingle, approximately 1 inch and 13 inches in from each end. Remember, always drive nails straight so that the nail head is flush with but not cutting into the shingle surface. If nail heads are left sticking up, they can tear into the shingle that's applied above them. For the second, third, and fourth courses, trim off 8 3/4 inches, 16 5/8 inch, and 30 5/8 inch respectively from the left end of the first shingle in each course. Apply the first shingle piece in each course flush with the rake. Continue each course across the roof with full shingles butting ends loosely. Align the bottom edge of the shingles with the tops of the cutouts of the shingles in the underlying course. Note that the exposure of the shingle is 5 5/8 inches. For the fifth and succeeding courses, simply repeat the sequence of the first 4 courses as you work your way up the roof. When installing shingles horizontally along one course, don't install them in multiples of 3 before starting the next course, or it might create a pattern you don't want. For added wind protection, use 6 nails per shingle placed as shown in the shingle bundle wrapper. Ensure that no nail is within 2 inches of a shingle joint in adjacent courses. Seal down each shingle at time of application with 3 1-inch diameter spots of asphalt plastic cement placed under the shingle 2 inches above the bottom edge and equally spaced along the shingle. Use roofing cement sparingly, as excessive amounts may cause blistering. Great job! Your new Royal Estate shingles look amazing. Now protect the roof line beautifully with coordinating IKO capping shingles and watch our video on how to install them.